Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So we can track the steps on this watch in a few ways actually. We can check it on the watch face, in the activity app, and also on the phone application. So to check it on the watch face, basically wake up the screen and some of the watch faces display the steps. For example, this one does. And if yours isn't, you can always open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, find the watch face that displays the steps, and then apply it. And here we have it, as you can see. Another way to display to check these steps is to swipe right on the home screen to open this page, and here we have the step counter. Also, if you swipe left a few times, you will find the activity app, and here we have the step counter as well. And you can tap on the activity app to open it, and here we have a graph for steps. Okay, and the last way, like I said, is the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab the phone that is paired with your watch, and on that phone you can open the MiBRO Fit application by tapping on the icon, and in the app you will see the basically calendar at the top here, and we can check the days. And here we have the step counter, and I believe there's no graph here, so you need to tap on the steps. It will open the steps page, and here you have more statistics for the steps, and you can check different days if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.